Jean-Henri Fabre was a French naturalist, an entomologist, and an author known for his books on the lives of insects. His most famous achievement lies in the sphere of entomology, the science studying the life and habits of insects, which became his greatest passion until his death. Jean-Henri Fabre kept observing and making notes about these amazing creatures till he died. In one study, Jean-Henri Fabre studied the pine processionary caterpillars in great detail. Now, what makes this caterpillar special is his instinct to blindly follow the one in front of it. Fabre demonstrated this unique behavior with a very simple experiment. He took a flower pot and placed a caterpillar in a single file around the pot's rim, with each caterpillar's head touching the one in front. He then placed the caterpillar's favorite food, which was pine needles, in the middle of the circle created by the procession around the rim of the flower pot. Now each caterpillar followed the one ahead, thinking that it was heading for food. Round and round they went, these caterpillars, for 7 days and 7 nights. And after a week of mindless activity, these caterpillars began to die of exhaustion and starvation. They were just 6 inches away from their favorite food, yet they were fixed in their routines and habits and could not extricate themselves from the mindless behavior. This behavior of processionary caterpillars actually illustrates how we human beings behave as we go through the merry-go-rounds of life. Unlike caterpillars, humans surely have the ability to change our direction in life. As Jane Austen so beautifully puts it, she says life is a quick succession of busy nothings. Unfortunately, people swap breathtaking talents on chasing the things that really don't matter. We waste the best hours of our day binge watching TV, endless entertainment, social media, and finding new clothes to impress people we don't even like. The truth is, if you are busy, you don't really live at all. You just exist. So slow down, stop being busy, and live a meaningful life. We can all too readily get into the rut, which causes us to be dysfunctional at work, at school, and at home. We keep moving in vicious circles and we think we are making progress. We often confuse a movement or motion with meaning and activity with achievement. One of the secrets of success is to avoid confusing activity with achievement. We are often obsessed with being busy, but being busy isn't what matters. Being effective is. And so a closer look at what we are busy doing may yield huge dividends in our effectiveness. Now get this thing clear. Just because you are doing a lot more doesn't mean you are getting a lot more done. Leaving the beaten path that most people follow may involve a lot of risk and soul searching. But if you find the courage to do what is true for you, it will unlock your true potential and end up being an amazing experience. Society has set out clear paths for us. They say, get an education, then get a job, pay the bills, find a life partner, and settle down. But while there's nothing fundamentally wrong with this thinking or philosophy, if one doesn't access one's true potential, it might lead to soul-crushing mediocrity. Like the processionary caterpillar who was just 6 inches away from their favorite food, we might be close to our life's goals and purpose, but yet go to our grave with music in us, dying while living somebody else's dream. As W.C. Fields, an American comedian and writer, aptly says, remember, a dead fish can float downstream, but it takes a live one to swim upstream. Truthfully, the only thing that all world changers have in common is that they blaze their own paths. So now, go, blaze your own trail, and you will find unusual levels of beauty, awesomeness, and serendipity in your lives.